hope you're great. Welcome to Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare cassava leaves in a very simple way. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do, and remember to watch and also like the video. You can see how it looks. I'm going to pluck just like this. And this is the type of onion that I'm going to use. They are called spring onions. We want to wash our cassava leaves. I will wash it at least twice. This is the second time. You can see it looks clean. So I'll cut it into pieces. And then after that I will dry it. I'll let it dry. My dried cassava leaves are ready. My pot is on fire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the cooking oil. I'm going to add salt. I will add turmeric. After that, I'm going to use spring onions. Then I'll stir. You know, the pot takes some time so that it can absorb heat. I'll let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add the cassava leaves. At this stage, I'm going to add my cassava leaves. Then I stir. In the village, it's typically pots that are used to prepare food, especially vegetable. There's just a certain scent that comes with cooking in the pot. So I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then we'll continue. We'll check it out, how it's cooking. For now, I'll cover like that and let it cook. At this stage you can see it's cooking nicely. I'm going to add tomatoes. And let it continue cooking. At this stage I'm going to add some water and let it continue cooking until it softens. Our cassava leaves is ready. I'm going to show you. Even the fire has come down. I just let it cook. Here it is, very nice. It looks like kale, but it's not kale. Let me serve. Here is our cassava leaves. You can see it looks very yummy, very delicious. You should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.